Listen and practice.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you? I'm fine, and you?
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Michael. My name is Michael.
What is your last name? What is your last name?
My last name is Smith. My last name is Smith.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. I'm from the United States.
Where were you born? Where were you born?
I was born in Los Angeles, California. I was born in Los Angeles, California.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 18th. My birthday is on July 18th.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in San Diego, California. I live in San Diego, California.
Who do you live with? Who do you live with?
I live with my parents. I live with my parents.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Yes, I have one sister.
Are you a student? Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. Yes, I am a student.
Where do you study? Where do you study?
I study at Columbia Institute. I study at Columbia Institute.
What are you majoring in? What are you majoring in?
I am majoring in software engineering.
What is your phone number? What is your phone number?
My phone number is 5704-6327. My phone number is 5704-6327.
What is your email address? What is your email address?
It's michael1234@gmail.com. It's michael1234@gmail.com.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black. My favorite color is black.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lemonade. My favorite drink is lemonade.
What is your marital status? What is your marital status?
I'm single. I'm single.
Do you drive a car or ride a bicycle? Do you drive a car or ride a bicycle?
I drive a car. I drive a car.